and I'm going to fly into the others. So this is my Winze run. Oh yeah! Big air. I don't even think you need to. Okay. Here we go. Rocking on through the demo trail. Woo! I think they call it demo because it was the first trail here. I haven't ever actually asked anybody if that's actually true or not. Oh yeah! Rocking on a new bike. Here is the Black Diamond that I did on the camber an age long ago. We're gonna skip that. We'll leave that for the camber. Maybe I'll come and do it sometime on this bike. Never did it on the pivot. So that's gonna be in memory of that camber. And this part here, I did on the pivot only. So I'm gonna leave that one for the pivot as well, at least for now. So, remembering my old bikes, and then the jumps. I will clear all the jumps on Winze today, or whenever that happens, today or tomorrow. And I don't think I'm gonna stay another night, but it's a thought process.
Well, I did have a high confidence that I could clear all the jumps on Winze. Obviously, as you'll see, I had a few setbacks, one of them a major one, and even though I went through the skills park and did all my warm-ups and got myself going, I still ended up falling short.
I haven't done these in a while. Woo! Oh! Oh! Okay. Yeah, I'm getting the old school fear back, of course. It wasn't too bad. Well, here I am at the top of Winze. I try to get the 5 jumps and then see if I can get that turn jump. If I can't get the turn jump and the one after it, I'm going to slow down and come back up again. I'm going to do 2 or 3 runs of the top jumps. I got it scoped out. I know what I'm doing. Here we go. Oh, I got kicked just a little bit. Got that one. Got to brake a little bit for that one. Whoa! Holy buckets, I'm clearing them. This one is a pain in the butt. Oh, so close. Okay, I didn't quite get it, so I'm gonna try it again. Good first run. I got really kicked. I can do them. I can get them. Maybe I won't get them today. But I think I can get them. At least that was 8. I'm gonna go a little off center on that first one. There's nobody back here again. That's a nice thing about these jumps. There's rarely anybody back here. I feel like I'm in actually a pretty good gear right now. But it always helps to be in a good gear. Okay, I'm gonna try to hit this one. Nope, I didn't quite clear that one that time. Yep. Oh, I'm totally clearing these. I am totally clearing those. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, well, there goes my lower back. Nope. Yeah, my lower back just tweaked on me. Of course. I felt it. Oh yeah. Yeah, I felt my lower back again. Come on.
My lower back continuing to plague me on day 2. I ended up doing the big drop and trying to do some of the jumps on the big skill jump line, which I know I can do. However, With my back being the way it was, I just wasn't up to it. My energy was getting low, and I needed to plan a return trip.
Come on. The key is to get clipped in. No, that wasn't a good one at all. Nope. I feel like I'm getting close to that one.
When I returned to Cuyuna and Winze a few months later, I had another drawback. It was very overgrown, and I was having a hard time seeing anything. Scouting the trail very carefully and watching for other riders, I decided to kind of just take it easy and see what I could do. It was actually a lot more work than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, this is a big table. That's why I can't get it. I don't even know if I would really consider this a table.
So I decided to disclude this sideways looking kind of tabletop after the big turn and focus on the jumps after. That actually helped me out quite a bit, as well as clearing some of this brush out of the way a little bit and getting a little better view of where I was going.
And just manual that. I think that's the key. I'm going to try to manual this. I think I'll go as far in as I can go. My favorite rock roll. Whoa! It's a little scary, but... So, I'm going to skip the first jump. Skip the first jump. And I'm going to fly into the others. So this is my Winze run. Oh yeah! Big air. I don't even think you need to... Okay. That's the problem, is I'm slowing down so much. Oh, come on. Oh, so close. They're taking their time. Oh, here we come. Yeah, I'm going to hit him again. Yeah, I came really close, as close as I've ever come on these. So I'm going to go back up and hit him again. I think I need to... that turn is a little scary right now.
Yeah, that one I was like, because like you got to turn a little bit when you hit the jump.
It's loose. It feels loose, yeah. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Ha 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 ha. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Oh, whoa. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. A little bit of brakes. Yeah. Okay, now, into that turn. Pump that bike. Pump it, 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 pump it. Oh, I get so close. Whoa. Oh, I'm just nicking them. I'm just barely nicking them. Sucks, I'm so close. It's kind of scary, actually. So my project tomorrow is try to clear those two. I can't seem to line it up. So this next jump is going to be really tricky too. I'm going to go a little easier. I have to figure out how I'm going to go into this. Oh, I think I cleared that one. Just barely. I have to figure out how I'm going to turn into that. I think I got that one. I might try to do that tomorrow. I'm just too tired. I'm just too tired. hopefully we can get some rain tonight. This is not a table. Oh yeah, it's okay. I think I cleared both of those. Okay, so I'm on my way. It's just those. It's those two. That's all there is to it. I'll watch this video tonight and see. Oh my gosh. It's just...
In actuality, there's probably 4 jumps that I haven't really been able to completely clear confidently. And that's the 6th, 7th, and 8th tabletop, including the sideways tabletop and leading up to the tabletop going into the berms that lead you down the hill. On my way home and that night, I contemplated different plans and thoughts, and in the morning, I came back fresh, hoping to get at least one more tabletop.
This is a double black trail. Okay, I'm calling it. I cleaned it. I didn't get the last 2. Holy pie cake separating fermentations. Here we are, day 4 of trip 2 to Cuyuna. This is my last time here this year, unless something absolutely wonderful happens and I get back up here again, but I kind of doubt it. Boy, what a day it was yesterday. I'm going back over to do Winze. That's the plan. I did it a couple times yesterday, and well, a couple times in the top. I got the base jumps fine. I got the first jumps fine. It's those middle ones after the turn I'm having a hard time on. I'm coming really close, but I'm going kind of super crazy fast. So I looked at it a little bit yesterday. Blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna go try to hit it again. See how I feel doing that. And then if I feel good about downhill, I'm gonna go to the spirit mountain. Okay, what's the lesson from yesterday? Skip the first jump. Hit the first one. Woo! Oh yeah! Holy crap! Okay, so oh, I think I got it! Wow! Oh, it's so close. All right, so I think I figured it out. You have to go into that turn on the upper left and then just pump. I don't think I can get that really flat tabletop. I think I can get the next 2. I was really close this time again. Closer than I've ever been. So yes, this chest harness is bothering me quite a bit. So this chest harness is going to go away. There's a 5 hearts up here with a balloon. I knew there was a balloon up here. I didn't know there was a 5 hearts. If I don't get it this time, I'm going all the way through, and I'm going to hit the bottom tables really hard and really clear those. There's 2 of them. Whoa! Okay, what's the lesson? Stay on that. Wow! Oh, it's just hard to... Oh, crap. I lost all my momentum. Gosh, dang it! I lost all my momentum. I just cannot get those tables. Gosh. I just saw 2 guys do that. What the heck are they doing? I lost all my momentum that time. And I know why. It's loose. It's a loosey loose. This one, I'm not really sure about either. Oh, yeah, I got that one. I'm pretty sure I got that one.
Unfortunately, I had to walk away from Winze after this run. I was getting a little too tired and frustrated. However, I do have the confidence that I can do the jumps. It's my energy level, my back, chest, and other issues continuing to plague me and hold me back. My biggest thought right now is carrying speed through that turn. Anybody have any suggestions on that? Let me know. I think that would be the big key for me, is to be able to carry my speed through that turn and really pump into it. I feel like I lose a lot of my momentum. I think that is the big key. Let me know what you think. Tentatively, I am planning on returning to Cuyuna for a 2-day ride somewhere around May 11th or 12th of 2023. Hope to see you then.
And I kind of don't. Doing that right there makes me want to go. But I'm going to be very worn out. If I go to Spirit Mountain, I'm going right to Spirit Mountain. And I don't know if I have enough energy to check out other stuff on my back. I'm thinking about it.